Hey guys, Adam here, and today is the day we are finally able to start pouring the concrete. First things first, let's get these bags loaded up. All right guys, we are at the site and I want to go over a couple of things we'll be using today. We have the level, 3 or 4 foot, still haven't decided. For the first bag pour, we're probably going to use a pitcher. It calls for 6.2 liters per bag of water. We'll guesstimate what this is. I have some oil, vegetable or cooking oil, that I will be rubbing on the inside of the 2x4s because I'm told you have to. My wife asked if I wanted a virgin oil. I said no chance, those days are over. I'll be using this brush to mix it. Of course, we have the crete over there. We have our hose set up for the water. I have also pre-cut some wire mesh that I will put into the form. Helps bind the concrete, I'm told. We'll see. And then I have our board that we'll be using to scrape over the concrete once we have it all in there. And of course, your basic tools of the trade. If you've noticed too, I have a rag over the nozzle to the water hose. That's not for any indecent purposes. That's because I have kind of a kink in the line. Every time I'm done spraying with the hose, it splurges water out all over the place. I don't want that. I'm told it's not good for the concrete. So I put that rag over there. I think it's a good alternative. We'll see if it ends up working out. Let's start spreading this oil. All right. The oil is on the inside of the wood, and one thing I did want to bring up is, yes, the videos I've seen say to use oil, like as in motor oil. Seems too messy. We're going to go this route. If I'm wrong, go ahead and let me know in the comments section. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I went ahead and went to Ace Hardware and picked up, I suppose, a leveling trowel they call it, and an edging tool. These are the two things I'll be using for this job. I'd say all that's left to do is start mixing that crete. Careful. Watch yourself. Trash. I'd say this is about, God bless you. Oh my. 2 liters. Pretty soapy. Is that normal? Fizz. Couple from my concrete homies. I better start mixing. You want to join, please? My beautiful pregnant bride. Now it's my understanding we need more of a pancake mix. Round 2. Ooh, might got too much there. Oh shit. Go ahead. All right, guys. I poured that second one in, and the mixture I think is just a little too runny for what it needs. So I might dump another bag in here, or a little bit of a bag, try to strengthen it up. All right, holy cow. A lot more work than I thought. I think I got it at the consistency I want and need though. I'm gonna pour. Enough talking, more pouring. Now I'm going to smooth some of it out so that I can lay down my wire mesh on top of this initial layer. Doesn't need to be perfect. I just want to get some of it smoothed out. It's my understanding too that I have plenty of time here. I don't necessarily need to be in a rush to get all these bags laid. 4 of 6 bags have been laid. Might only need another one. I'd say it's time for a refresher break. For that icy mountain taste. This is giving me quite a workout. You want to hold the wheelbarrow, please? Look at this, guys. 8.5 months pregnant. She's still out here killing it. All right, guys, we have got what I think to be enough concrete laid or poured into the form. I am now going to take the board and kind of shimmy it across all the way down, and then I'll hit with the hammer. Babe, will you grab that side and we'll keep shimmying? Thank you. All right, take some of that. We'll go back. Okay. All right. I'm not really sure what to do with this extra concrete, so I'm just gonna shovel it, put it in the wheelbarrow, and do something with it later. This is one of the parts that I'm kind of nervous about. I haven't done this before. There are some holes along the edges. I'm gonna just get this damn grass up here. Gross. And I'm gonna start leveling. This is the part that Alright guys, I'm running into a little bit of leveling issues. I'm trying to back you up here. There we go. So I've noticed that I figure I need to let it harden a little bit, but as I'm scraping across here, I'm noticing on the edges, it seems to be a little higher right in this spot right here. So I'm just trying to push that a little harder. And I know maybe I need to let it dry a little bit before I can really push. But push that way. Or maybe the idea is to get that board again after I see where it's leveling off here and shimmy it that way. Maybe I'll do that. Not sure if that's the right answer, but we're gonna do it. All right guys, we're gonna let it dry for a little bit. I got it there. I just seem to kind of be moving out water and stuff like that. So I think it just needs to harden for a little bit, and then I'll come back out here and try to get a little bit more smooth and put the edge on it. For now, I think I'll clean up my mess. Hey guys, it's dried a little bit, still some water on top, but I need to get in there and level some more. I just found that when I was doing it earlier, it was just way too wet to do it. I wasn't getting anywhere. Kind of nervous about this part of it. Wish me luck. All right, it's been about an hour, and I think we are going to go with a nice broom finish, and then we'll edge. Oh, that's nice. All right, I think it's set enough. We're gonna take the tool here, and now, I guess we could find it this way. Uh-oh. All right, guys, thanks for joining me for this third installment of this DIY slab project. I hope I didn't just mess it up with the edging tool. Look good with the broom finish. Only time will tell. I'll see you for this final phase of the project here in a couple days once I take the boards off and backfill some dirt. Thanks for joining me. See ya. Hey guys, Adam here. It's about a day later. I've taken the forms off and backfilled with some dirt. Let's see how it turned out. All that's left is for the grass to grow, and I'd say dominance on the block has been reestablished. Till next time, well, see you later.